Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw TRX from Revolut to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure, and moving them to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward, even if you're just starting out. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. You'll need to install the Tron app on your device. Head to the Ledger Live app on your computer, connect your Nano X, and search for Tron in the app catalog. Once installed, open the Tron app on your Ledger to generate a receiving address. This is your crypto's new safe haven. Next, log into your Revolut app or website. Navigate to your TRX balance, and select the option to withdraw or transfer funds. You'll be prompted to enter a wallet address. Copy the one from your Ledger Nano X and paste it in. Double-check that address to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Before confirming, set the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, Revolut might charge a small fee, and blockchain networks like Tron could have their own gas fees, so factor that in. Hit confirm, and you'll get a notification to approve the transaction on your Ledger device. Use the buttons on your Nano X to verify and sign the transaction. It adds that extra layer of security. Once approved, sit tight while the transaction processes. In 2025, with improved blockchain speeds, this should only take a few minutes. You can check the status on a blockchain explorer like TronScan by entering your transaction ID. A quick tip: always use a secure connection and never share your seed phrase. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. And there you have it. Your TRX is now safely in your Ledger Nano X. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.